15 ways people made money in the pandemic. Hey Trendies, I am back with another exciting video about 15 ways people made money in the pandemic. Doesn't that sound helpful? This pandemic has been a rough journey for everybody. Either it was an emotional setback or a financial setback. Despite the hard times, we all survived so much of it. But before we move any further, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to stay abreast of such bedazzling updates. Necessity is the mother of invention. We all have been hearing this since our childhood. The lockdowns we had to go through from the start of this year had big impacts on our lives. Work from home is the mantra everybody started observing. Unfortunately, every job couldn't be done online, but people used brains to bring a change in theirs and loved ones' lives. This video is going to be an exciting roller coaster. So, if you wish to catch some more exciting videos, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to bring the most recent and exciting videos about expensive and luxurious stuff that the world doesn't know about. Living standards are dependent on the money a person makes, which is why they enjoy the luxuries. Sure, money doesn't complete your life, but it motivates you to work hard with commitment. This need to be financially independent has increasingly become very popular among students as well. Given below are some of the ways in which you can earn money. Number 1. Start a resale business. In the present era, the resale business has flourished to the extent that it's earning many people a lot of profits. And this can also be a potential opportunity that can change your life. There are 3 rules to this business: reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is good for the environment since the waste produced by companies such as the textile industry is very toxic for our environment. What a progressive thought! During the pandemic, people started making money by selling their old things online, such as eBay. What an exciting idea! So, if you have some old and saleable stuff, you are in business. All you need to do is take a few good pictures of the things you wish to sell and upload them on eBay and other sites. How exciting an idea it is to make money out of your old stuff! Number 2. Start monetizing your habits. Love photography? Why don't you make money from it? Taking drone photos can boost up your budget. Use your skills to create products that you can sell online, such as embroidery, painting, and even teaching. When the world had to lock itself down, humans worldwide had to find ways to stay sane. This pandemic sparked ideas in people's minds to make their lifestyles useful. People started making money from their hobbies. Even people started selling paintings online. It got helpful as they got busy during these crises and even started making money. Number 3. Give people a ride and offer home delivery. Spend your time productively by offering home deliveries, and the best part is that you can do this even if you have a bicycle. This is a 2-in-1 benefit. You'll be exercising and making money while you do that. Spread the word around your neighborhood for such services, so people can easily access you for such tasks. In these situations, as stores are closed, people need necessities on their doorstep. The fear of this virus and stores closing are a good idea to deliver parcels on people's doorstep, and is definitely an excellent strategy to earn a lot of money. This gave people an alternative for their lost jobs. Grab that parcel and get in your car. Start making a handsome amount of money. This can also help people stay at their homes, resulting in fewer COVID cases around the country. Number 4. Teach skills online. We all got some skills in our favorite subjects. During this pandemic, as students had online schools, it got really hard for students to concentrate, and even some were lacking in a lot of subjects. In these times, we met new superheroes: Zoom, Google Classrooms, etc. Students who wanted to earn money during this pandemic started teaching online academies on these platforms. It was quite helpful as students had their pros and the teachers were making money. Humans have a nature where they learn new methods of resilience according to their situations, and they have to adopt new ways to live during this new normal. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, is a phenomenon where a group of people lends money to another group, but they take the money back with interest. A fantastic deal to make, isn't it? These services are even offered online. So, even with the pandemic revolving around, who can stop us from making some profit with the money we got? This is also known as crowd lending, as a crowd of people will lend money to others. Since 2010, peer-to-peer lending has grown every year by 110%. This lending can give you 5% interest, which can be a great profit overall. This crowdfunding can help people in need of money and even help those who lend that money as they get interest on their money. Number 6. Asset shopping has taken off. Investment officers will advise you to increase your wealth during these crises. This is honestly a big opportunity. In these times where every country is going through a lockdown, they are forced to put their properties on the market. This can benefit them a lot as they may earn a lot of money from it. A great time to pick up a new asset. The interest rates have increased highly, and your house can become more valuable with a better portfolio. This seems pretty exciting. Number 7. Virtual medical psychology consultants. How to seek medical help during a lockdown. What a scary thought. Hospitals have become quite dangerous as people are afraid of the pandemic revolving around them. If you are a doctor and can help others, then what are you waiting for? You can easily earn a lot of money and at the same time help people with crises. People can get a normal fever or other complications such as skin issues or something with their eyes. And what could be better than an online doctor prescribing you medicine for the cure? As people were on lockdowns, they had to go through an emotional roller coaster too. And this journey hasn't been any easier for anybody. People with psychology therapy can help others online by listening to them. Therapists are a big need of this time as everybody had to go through a big change during these crises. Online consultants and doctors did earn a lot of money. Number 8. E-commerce is a highly favored option. Turning your extra time into a productive thing to earn money is every person's dream, and this pandemic pushed us to do this. You can sell anything through e-commerce. You don't even have to look at the store and still buy anything from that place. You can even take pictures of your product and upload it only, which will attract your buyers. Electronic business is the business you do on the internet where firms and individuals buy and sell things on the internet. This is a great deal to have over the internet. You can easily earn money by selling and buying stuff. People had to come up with things during the pandemic to keep their financial status stable. Number 9. Live streaming. Yep, you heard it right. People even earned money during these crises by doing live streams. You can't have the same fun as you do in concerts as in live streams. We are not in a crowd. Singing and dancing with people in a crowd is different. But as the pandemic has banned public gatherings, you can now have that fun with people on the internet. Through live streaming, you can show a lot of skills. Maybe do live streaming while painting. Or you can do it while cooking something. You can even make a virtual sale where you can showcase your stuff and people can buy them. This is a great idea to earn money. Number 10. Podcasts have taken off. During these times, what can be better than listening to someone on your earphones? People have started making podcasts such as motivational talks or even topics related to therapy. People love listening to podcasts when they are free. Making podcasts and then uploading this can help you to earn a handsome amount of money. It won't even take that much hard work. Number 11. Online tutoring took off. There are plenty of websites on the internet where you can teach kids and earn. Online tutoring is far the best way to earn money. Teach kids on the internet. It can get overwhelming for parents to handle their kids and help their kids on the internet. Number 12. Undertakers and funeral services. Who can stop death from coming? The mortality rates have also increased due to the COVID situation. Families want to say a proper goodbye to their loved ones no matter what the situation is. People have started earning by offering funeral services for the deceased ones. This is a sad situation, but you can earn money in this way. This way, you can send the deceased one with a better goodbye and, at the same time, earn money. Number 13. Drive-in cinema experiences become popular again. Watch your favorite movie in your car with other cars on a big screen. Isn't that an exciting experience? This trend is becoming popular again as gathering has been banned. We all are missing our old lives, but such strategies are here to save us. You can now earn money by creating drive-in cinemas for people in your locality. Provide them with popcorns and sodas. Keep a fixed amount on the price of the ticket and sell it. You can earn a lot of money by this means. Number 14. Anybody going into sanitizing. The coronavirus has no vaccines till now, and people are advised to keep themselves clean and wear masks. You can earn money by sanitizing places around you. People will have to go to the office for some important stuff, and sanitizing these places can help them and even you get plenty of money. You can sanitize parks, schools, and other public places. This will keep your community safe and help you financially in these times. Number 15. Farmers are doing well, but it's bittersweet. This pandemic stopped many of our activities. But the only thing we didn't stop doing is eating. We need to eat to stay alive. This pandemic has been a hard time for many people. And as companies are shutting down, the farmers don't have places to send their supplies. You can help farmers by helping them send these supplies to different places. This way, you can earn money and even help the farmers in your country. I think it's time to go, but I hope you enjoyed this video and the ideas. This pandemic has been hard for everyone around the globe, but we certainly can't give up. Humans adapt to every kind of situation, and we have learned to keep pace with these hard times. These are 15 ways that can financially help you to stay stable during these hard times. We all are in this together, so don't let anyone lose help. If you want to stay updated with our latest videos, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share my channel. Hit the notification ring bell to stay updated with our exciting videos, which will motivate you during these times.